since I started baking these cookies, I can stop having them, and I have them almost on a daily. So we are making some oat cookies, and you're really going to love this once you try it out. With me here I have my ingredients. You'll only need 4 ingredients, and that's some sugar. I have some margarine. You can also use butter. I have some all-purpose flour, and finally I have my oats over here. So these are the core ingredients for this particular recipe. But if at all you're feeling fancy, you can go in some vanilla essence and some milk. And without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, I'm going to be listing the ingredients as we go along, and as you can notice, we have some all-purpose flour and some oats, and we're going to be using both of them. So I'll start by adding in my margarine, and that's about 3 tablespoons. Then I'm also going to go in with some sugar, and that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. But if at all you are a sweet tooth, you can definitely add more sugar. Then I'll go in with my all-purpose flour, and that's 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Then at this point I'll go in with a stronger spatula, and I'll go in with about 1/2 teaspoon of my vanilla essence at this point. Then I'll go in with about 3/4 cups of my oats. So I'll be measuring 3/4 of this, and this is 1/4 cup, so I'm going to add 3 of this. Finally, I'm going to add in my last cup. This is quite a hard dough. Then finally at this point, I'll go in with about a tablespoon of milk. Then I'm going to mix this till everything is well combined. So this is what we have, and as you've seen, it was that simple. So this dough makes exactly 12 cookies. So I'll show you how I go about them, and I'm also going to be using my hands. So I'll start by making 12 small balls. It tastes amazing. Then I'll show you how I go about shaping my cookie doughs. So I'm just going to do that. Press them. These cookies do not spread as much, so you can spread them according to how you like them. Also, alternatively, you can just press them down with your fork if you do not want to get your hands dirty. And as I earlier mentioned, my oven is preheating at 180 degrees. Then I'm going to pop this into the oven for about 15 minutes. About 30 minutes later, my cookies have cooled down, and you can see, so you know your cookies are ready once they start turning golden hook at the corner, and also at the bottom it should be having a very beautiful color. So wow. I've served mine with some peanut and also some cold milk. Oh. You have to try out these cookies. You're going to love them. These cookies are amazing. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.